Look around. The vacuums are flipped, the screens are shattered. We told you the future belonged to us, not the robots.
Can I use the computer, please?
And then hopefully he could feel better once he admits it and knows that he is uncomfortable.
I wish we could do all the time over again.
Dowie.
Where's the mouse? Where's the mouse?
It can even play Snake.
I'm not gonna lie, I kinda wanna chase it myself.
Ralph was first on the scene, and though he immediately seemed to like it, he was far more interested in rolling around frolicking, whilst Bella sat next to me completely uninterested. Eventually Ralph couldn't resist a scratch awkwardly laying on his side, before going full on zoomy mode. Curious, and looked adorable sniffing it and checking it out. When it moved, she didn't seem to mind as long as it didn't get too close. But with Ralph, I knew before I even showed it to him that he wouldn't like it, so didn't want to stress him out by driving it, and as predicted he scampered off upstairs. It's hard to say really, Ralph had just been watching the birds for real from the catio, so I'd imagine this seemed somewhat less impressive in comparison. He did a big meow, then left. Bella was certainly curious, chirping and chattering away. But that was the extent of her interest.
You're very hard to impress today, Bella.
Even shaped like a block of cheese. It caught Bella's attention straight away, but definitely frightened her when it scuttled towards her paws, swam to stick out, move around, and occasionally stop to tease the cat. Ralph volunteered to go first, before comically backing away unimpressed. It is an automatic cat feeder, which I originally bought to dispense cereal for myself in the breakfast train video. The top section gets filled with cat biscuits, then you can either use a mobile app to trigger it, or set it to automatically release at preset meal times.
Yeah, technology definitely lost this round. Now it's your turn. Which fail was the worst?